In this app, you can easily turn your simple drawing into an awesome AI art. Here are some tips to get the best result. Select Compose Image from the plus button in the middle of the home screen. Select the canvas size you want. Choose a background picture from our stocks. Pick one with the color and the lighting you want. The background should allow your main subject to stand out, so try picking one with a contrast background color. Select Draw from the editing tools. Adjust brush size. The brush size should not be too big nor too smooth, so it will be easier to draw and create a sharper and clearer line of drawing. Select Colors. Draw a rough picture of what you want on the background. Fill in the color where needed. The color and shape will guide the AI image generator. Try use a smaller brush size with different colors to outline the shape of your drawing. This will significantly affect the depth and the dimension later to your result. Right here we have the AI Recreate tool. This tool will help to create a piece of AI art based on what we drew at the beginning step. Tap AI Recreate tool. Select the whole image portion. Press Next. Fill prompt to describe what you want to create. It is recommended to describe it closer to what you draw at the beginning. Select the styles you want. Adjust the dramatic level. The dramatic level should be put significantly higher than usual, maybe 90 to 95% to the right of the bar. Press Create button and see the stunning result.